Hi guys, so today I'm done with my worksheet and I'm taking a break, and now here is our Shopee delivery. Let's open it, Mommy. Wow, what is this? Wow, what is that?
Siyempre, dinisinfect mo ko
Yep,
muna.
disinfect.
Everything.
Oh my gosh! BTS!
Pakita mo
Yes!
sa kanya.
Yeah, my favorite.
From Love Moon Shop.
My favorite! Bookmark BTS. Yeah! This is my favorite. Cute unicorn. It's a bookmark.
So these are friction pens.
What? What is friction pens, Mommy?
So pens that you can erase. Kasi si Kuya, he always makes a lot of mistakes in writing.
And guys, later, maybe later or
Kuya, hindi ka dito.
tomorrow.
Sama ka sa video.
Maybe later or
Para
tomorrow.
makita ka ni nanay.
Guys, maybe later or tomorrow, my package
Where's
from
Kuya?
Lazada is going to come here. My package from Lazada
Silip
is
ka lang.
going to
Hello.
go.
Ay, hindi ka nakita, Chuy.
My package,
Dito ka, oh.
my package from Lazada, it's going to come sooner, tomorrow, or maybe later.
Actually, I bought this pen only for Kuya kasi he's grade 6. And 3 is grade 2. But, I will let Twin use these also. We have 3 boxes.
I wanna pop this
And
bubble
let's
wrap.
try it. Come on. Stop it!
Mommy basically has like this also when she was.
Tapo na yan, anak, kasi hindi natin alam yung humawak mo.
Mommy, di ba may
Oo.
ganito ka din? May ganyan ka din kasi dati, di ba, nung nag-work ka pa
Kuya,
ng
tapo
saan?
mo dyan.
Dito na.
Ay, nasaan ang
Friction
basura dyan?
pen! May ganito ka, Mommy, di ba?
Yes.
Mommy has one of this.
So,
Which is
let's
at
use
work.
your worksheet. Kasi it's erasable naman.
Yep.
Oh, you write your name again.
So dami.
And then you try to erase.
Ang dami.
Wait lang, let me try to draw. I draw on a line. Let's see. Magic! Oh my gosh!
Don't be surprised. We already had that before.
Yeah, you had that
Dali,
because
magsulat ka ng marami.
Heart star.
Malinaw ba?
Yep, malinaw siya. You had this, Mommy, di ba, when you were at work?
Ayan, bigay mo na kay Kuya. Tapos pag nagkamali siya, pwede niya erase. Ayun o, kay Kuya.
Yeah!
Di na mo, Kuya.
This
Kasi
is
nagalaw
so
niyo.
cool.
Okay, see? Kuya doesn't need to use a pencil.
Because he's grade 6.
Did you like it? Did you like it?
Yes, Mommy.
Kuya, ikaw, did you like it?
Apa.
Ikaw?
I loved it. Even though I had experience
Super
with
dami nila.
Mom,
Dapat
guys,
dalawa lang binili.
guys, I love this because I had even though I had experience with this dati, I had experience with this. I can't believe they invented this. So like when you're grade 6 and you still have a lot of mistakes, you can erase it.
Let's try if your teacher will allow you to use it.
Uh-oh. But you already messaged her and she said yes, diba?
No, I haven't.
This one's bukas na. So, Mommy's gonna keep the 2 other ones. Wait lang. Is this the bukas na?
This.
O, sige na, bye-bye.
Bye,
Bye-bye.
guys! Go na! Okay na?
Saka muna. Ano yung
Hi, guys! So, today, I got a Zara package and I don't know what it is because, yeah, let's unbox it. This, oh. I'm so excited because I've been waiting for this. Yay! I've been waiting for this for a long time. A long time. Ow.
Uy,
It's a clay!
huwag mo kaganyanin, anak.
It's the clay, guys! It's the clay! It's the
Naku, huwag mo yayapusin, anak, ha?
It's the clay.
Kasi i-disinfect kayo.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Akin na,
6,
akin na.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Tingala.
Ow! Pero,
Ayun yung basahan.
ah! I got it in my mouth. Dito? Let's open it. I'm open this now. So open this. Mommy, di ba ipapos din dito sa
Twi.
What?
On the top lang.
Akin to, yay.
Kailangan hubaran ma.
Hindi yung talbong susunod.
Bakit?
Oh my gosh!
Kahit kailan magbukas ng mga ano, inuukab yung...
I got the sculpting tools, but I'm just mostly gonna play with it. So I don't need the sculpting
Gagawa
tools.
ka ng mga ano nak, tapos ibebenta. Hindi yan lalaruan.
Uy! Lalaroan ko.
yan, T.
Guys, so if I were to choose, I won't open this one because these are the light colors. I will open this one first because it has the dark ones. Dark yellow, dark green, dark yellow, dark green, but it also has dark pink. Wow, I thought it was a puppet. Can I open this now, Mommy?
Okay, bye-bye ka na.
Bye, guys. See you